Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset edits uh, in Darktable. So if you want to wipe all adjustments and return a photo to its original raw state, what we are going to do is in the darkroom view find the history stack module on the left panel. So right here you will see the second one is history model. Now click here on the circular arrow right here and this small window will pops up. So do you really want to clear history of current image? And yeah, if you want it, click yes, and it will do that. So this is now do just the one specific tool. So if you want to do it all, to reset just a specific tool, we need to go here to the right side, here to the only active modules, and what we are just gonna do is here click on sharpen maybe and tone equalizer, and we can just uh, turn them off right here like so, and they will change completely our picture, as you can see. So we went back, we are now just turn off all of these changes which we made. So yeah, this is basically it, how you can reset image in Darktable. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.